Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get glow sticks in Astroneer. This is going to be especially useful to assist you with your navigation around the map or inside of caves. So to begin, first of all, go to the research tab, and in here scroll down until you see the tab small canister, and from here go to the fourth position to the right, and here you'll see the glow sticks. Go ahead and unlock them, and as you can see you'll need one organic to make them. An organic can be found on every planet on the surface as plants, which you can mine with your mining tool, and you'll get this material. So just pick it up and go to your inventory, and down here you can see this crafting menu, and then by using these arrows search for the recipe glowsticks as the output, and then just click this middle button right here, and it is going to craft you the glowsticks. And to use them while not needing to go to your backpack, place them on one of these active slots right here, and then just use B for the right slot, or when you have it on the left, use C, and you can place them just like this. Also, you can place them just by hold and dragging them without your backpack, just like this. And this is pretty much all. How to get it and use them. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.